In 1969, Seiko introduced the Seiko Speedtimer with the innovative caliber 6139. It was the world's first automatic chronograph with a column wheel and vertical clutch, which basically helps to eliminate the jump of a chronograph secondhand when you start it. These are hallmarks today of high-end chronograph mechanisms. Today, Seiko Prospex has released a set of 6 new speed timers, which are 2 automatic pieces and 4 solar-powered models. But we are only going to examine one today, and this one will give you that Rolex Daytona-ish look that some people really love, but for a fraction of the price. Today we are reviewing the Seiko Prospex Speedtimer SSC813. What's up everyone, it's Chris with the Little Treasury channel. Welcome back. This is where we bring you awesome watch content at least once a week. If you haven't already, please make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be alerted as soon as we upload. I'm from Little Treasury Jewelers, which is located in Gambrills, Maryland, and it's where you go when you're in the know. As always, the watches that I review are for sale and can be purchased, so please see the description below to contact us. If you're just joining us, I'll go over watches, detailed features, and measurements, and then I'll offer my humble opinion at the end. In our last video, we reviewed the Grand Seiko SPG W273, which is a very limited US-only piece that has a beautiful textured dial and color. I recommend checking this one out if you have a smaller wrist and would like a very clean and simple piece to go on it perfectly. Wrist check time. Today I'm wearing my Longines Hydro Conquest chronograph, and you might ask, well, why is he wearing a Longines in a Seiko video? Well, because it is literally my only chronograph. And also, other than a Movado, which really doesn't count because I gave that to my wife anyway, this Longines was my first real watch and will always have a place in my collection. Now, tell me which watch you're wearing while you're watching the video and make sure to tell me why. Now, let's get on to the features. The SSC813 has a 39mm case width, a 13.3mm thickness, a 45.4mm lug-to-lug, a 19.8mm lug width, and weighs in at 160.87 grams. The case is matte finished on the tops and high polished on the sides. It has a non-screw down crown at the 3 position and a simple round pusher for the chronograph start and stop at the 2 and the chronograph reset at the 4. The bezel is black and is most likely aluminum with some kind of coating over top, which is to be expected at this price point. It has a tachymeter on it in white, which when started as you start moving and stopped at the end will give you an average speed traveled in a mile in kilometers. The crystal is made out of sapphire and is slightly domed with an anti-reflective coating on the inside. The dial has a sandblasted finish on it and it's in white, which ensures a very legible look. Seiko can be found at the top middle portion applied in black and the Prospex symbol underneath of it. The markers are all simple black rectangles with a double rectangle at the 12 and smaller ones at the 3, 6, and 9. The chronograph second grade can be found around the edge in 1/5 second increments. The hour and minute hands are pencil style and are in a matte black. The chronograph second hand is a simple arrow with a long tip and is also in black. The subdial to the left is in black and has the actual seconds displayed on it. The subdial to the right is also in black and has the 24-hour time, which is linked to the time zone that you are using and is not a GMT function. The subdial at the bottom is the most interesting though, and it is in black as well. It displays your chronograph minutes while the chronograph is running, but when it's not, you actually have a subtle power gauge that the hand automatically switches to with F and E to the left of it. The date window is just a simple cutout and has a white background with black numerals. Nowhere on this dial does it say that this watch is solar powered. Lume can be found on the 12, 3, 6, and 9 indices and on the hour, minute, and chronograph hands. The case back is closed and says sapphire crystal. It has Seiko and the Prospex logo in the center. Nowhere again does it say solar powered. The movement really is solar powered though, and has a 6-month power reserve when fully charged. It can be charged with any light, has overcharge protection, and is accurate to around 15 seconds a month. The bracelet is a simple, completely matte finished 3-link design with a small folding buckle that says Seiko on it. It has one manual spring bar micro adjust. The Seiko Prospex Speedtimer SSC813 is 100-meter water resistant, has a striking panda dial, and can be yours for a shocking $675. Now for my humble opinion. So when I first picked this watch up, I had literally no idea that it was solar powered, because it doesn't say it anywhere. The only sign is the power gauge at the bottom. I think that this actually makes the piece more attractive because when you typically think of a solar watch, you think of something rather inexpensive and entry level. But regardless of that, this one actually looks way more expensive than it is at $675. I really like the fitment of it on my 6.5-inch wrist, since it is a 39mm case, but still a chronograph to give it a little more presence. It just looks great. The bracelet on it feels like Seiko has stepped up their game and feels solid and well built. I guess my only gripe would be that this isn't automatic, but that wouldn't have been possible at this price point. I will recommend this piece to anyone who just wants a fun, classic looking chronograph in their collection. And it will fit in most people's collections for fun at this harmless price point. Or if you are a first-time watch buyer and want a great piece to start with, this one is absolutely for you. Thanks for watching today, everyone. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please make sure to give this video a like, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends and all of your family members. I look forward to seeing you next video.